This is the LEMZ Sports Fitness Smartwatch AMOLED screen with ECG monitoring capability built into it. You have access to all kinds of controls, including a really bright flashlight on this device, your step count information, calories burned, number of times in the last 12 hours you've stood up and moved around, and the number of active minutes you've had. Have a goal of 30 throughout the day. So you get your 30 minutes a day at least. You have all kinds of controls and access to changing your language here, changing the watch faces, turning on scientific heart rate capabilities, scientific sleep, and even a built-in compass in this one once you get it calibrated that will pop up and show you whatever direction you're pointing it to. There we go. So all of that's in here, along with overall settings for 24 12-hour time, heart rate, smart tracking, setting your date and time on it, or you can, of course, tether it to your phone and set it automatically. All that's in here. You've got contacts that allows you to dial out on this one. It does support Bluetooth calling and a nice loud speaker in it. You have 4 or 5 different types of breath training, very sophisticated. We go over all of that in the main app. You have the ECG, as I mentioned, that'll produce a 30-second ECG chart that you can view over on your app. You've got heart rate, 24-hour heart rate, and whenever you land on this page, you just wait a moment and it'll pop up the current heart rate value that you're experiencing. When you come back over here, you've got the different sporting activities, running and walking and biking and a few others. There's no GPS in the watch, however, so your data is based on your step count information. You've got results that will be viewable in the watch as well as on the app, and the apps can tether to Strava as another feature for it. You have quite a few different watch faces in this one. You have a custom area where you can download one of several different watch faces and add that to your watch and change them at will. It comes with 2 different bands. This is the rubberized TPU Sporty band, and this is a metal band that integrates really well with it. And this is a special tool they ship you for taking out the different links if you need to size this band up to fit your arm. All in all, it's a really nice health, fitness, smartwatch. Very dressy, very sophisticated. A bezel that doesn't turn but looks like it would. And a knob that does turn but doesn't do anything. It's called the LEMZ. Check it out.